So then, here we are out in the garden. One KTM Duke 390, a near standard exhaust. You will notice in there, which you might have seen from the other video, I cut the DB killer out ages ago, so it already sounds louder than a stock exhaust anyway. But today, we're going to get rid of this thing. Yep, red box is going. Cat 1 and Cat 2 history today. So we're fitting this bad boy. Not done it before, so hopefully it's quite simple. We've got an Allen bolt there with a collar. I'm going to take that one off on the middle one, or the big box anyway, just in case it's easier to get out. We've got to get it off of there because of the bracket that's on there. And then on this side, that bottom one keeps it attached to it, or keeps it from rattling around. And then obviously the bottom one on the exhaust, and then that'll be the bolt on the exhaust as well. Jesus, I've only got one mirror, it's a bit weird. You're going to need a socket set maybe, or spanner if you've got one, or spanner if you've got one. I've got a spanner. I don't know where both are, I only know where my adjustable is. Allen keys, or if you're American, Allen wrenches, or wrenches. They're not wrenches, they're Allen keys, alright? We invented the language, that's how we roll. Adjustable spanner, or an adjustable wrench. So first things first, find an Allen key that fits. Remember, righty tighty, lefty loosey. I'm going to go nice and loose so it's really wobbly. Right, that's that free. Next thing's next. Try not to lose all your washers and everything as well. I'm going to leave that on there because this bad boy's going back on. So next thing, we're going to undo this bolt in here. Now, have a look in here. There's a bolt there, but it's got a captive, what do you call it, on the back? Whatever that thing's called there. So you don't have to get a spanner or anything on the back, you just need to get that in. Now, I've got gloves on now as well. That bit's really dirty. And there's the bolt. So on this side, we've got one more nut in there. That one to undo. And we've got this bracket. I'm going to take these off in two bits because it's going to get a bit tight otherwise, I think, trying to bend that pipe round. And then we'll take that one off. Oh, bloody hell. Top tool time tip for you. If you want to get leverage, put some of the ring around the end of the Allen key, not wrench. Like so. And where your hand can't turn, it can. Oh, is there another bracket? Oh my god, there's another one! So for all you smart asses at the start of the video going, oh, there's not only two, there's three. Hey, you were right, but you could have let me know. There it is under there. Come on, you little bugger. Definitely not two bolts in it. Top one off. See if that frees up some space. I'm not taking the whole bike apart. Come on. There's no other bolt in there. Come on. Just got a smaller Allen key, so I can try and get that bar out. See if that's what's keeping it in there. Ah, there we go. That's the only thing that's keeping that in there. That centre bar was the resistance on that. Now you'll notice this has got a heat shield on it, because that looks like the throttle body in there. That heat shield probably protects that stuff. I don't think the new one's got that. Cool, look at the state of that. Is that going to breathe? Well, let's get this bad boy out and get you in place. Has got exhaust sealant by Black Widow, and one assemblage bolt. I don't know what it goes into, because I didn't look at the positioning first. So let's get under the bike and have a butcher, shall we? So let's go for a quick test fit. So we're going to feed this up into here. And that goes onto there. Does not look like what you'd call a good fit. And that bolt is down there now. Don't panic, I'm not going to do it all tight. Hopefully we've got enough room to wiggle that around now. But I'll be honest, it's not even close yet. And that looks about right. And yes, the more astute amongst you will go, you haven't put any gasket, any sealant around that. And you're damn right I haven't. I don't know if it's staying yet. I might be taking this bitch back off. Again, don't pinch anything up. Get these things into place first. And that is nowhere near. Yeah, when I say it's not close, I mean it's not close. It's a good 5mm out already. The 5mm you say might not be a lot, but that's pretty far. That's on the right plane, that's as close as it's going to get. Let's see if we can get this one on first. I hear an exhaust in the distance. Maybe we should go ask them to give me a hand. See if we can get the exhaust done up here. Pinch that up and then the hot one. Oh, we might be getting there, but yeah, that bitch is still spinning round. Well, that was a hassle. I thought it'd be like 10 minutes. Undo, 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 drop it out, bonk, bosh, put the new one back in. But no. The main exhaust. We've got this on the mini drone flying underneath. First join into the stainless steel pipe, and that's the stainless steel pipe join there. Gearing up, and we come out of there, up past Cobweb City. Nice shiny pipe to the second join. Okay, we're back. We're now going to do the test with the Cat DeCat pipe on. The Cat DeCat pipe has been fitted. I'm bloody hot. Let's fire this bad boy up. Oh no. Oh no, oh no. Oh no, what have I done? Oh my god, I feel like such a dickhead. Let's see what we get. No right hand mirror. This bike is quicker! I hate you not, this bike is quicker. Wow! But this bike is much freer revving, it's much peppier, it's... wow, apart from being definitely loud and really annoying, and me sounding like a total chav, it's much better. Wow.